everyone. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss how to find square root by using log table. Now, where we can use log table to find square roots, cube roots, logarithmic values and different t ratios value. So today we are going to find square root by using log table book. So this is a log table book, and with the help of this book today we are going to find square roots of different numbers. First of all, you have to open that page in which square roots table is given to you. So here square roots from 1 till 10 first in both the pages till 9.9 here. First of all, let us suppose we have to find the value of square root 2. So we have to check that value here in 2.0, and in this 0 column we have to see the value of square root of 2. So in front of this answer is 1.414. So therefore square root of 2 is 1.414. Similarly, square root of 6 value is again in 0 column, and in front of 6.0 answer is 2.449. So square root of 6 is 2.449, and if square root of 7 value we want, then square root of 7 is 2.646. If we have to find the square root of 2.002, so we have to check from 2.0 till 0 first. So 2.0 till 0 value is 1.414. Now we have to check in the mean difference 2 value. So in front of 2.0 mean difference is 1. So we have to add here 0.001. After adding answer is 1.415. Now we have to find square root from 10 till 100. So for example, suppose we have to find the square root of 13. So in front of 13 in the 0 column answer is 3.606. So square root of 13 is 3.606. Similarly, if we want square root of 17, then answer is 4.123. Now, in log table book, square root table is only till 99. But if we have to find the value of more than 99, so we have to use this method. Now look at the examples, then we will do sums related to more than 100 values. Now first example is we have to find square root of 133 here. So first of all, we are going to multiply and divide by 100 here. So in the next step, under root 1.33 multiply 10 square. After shifting decimal here, 1.33 will come. Now in the next step, we have to separate the square root. Now square root of 1.33 multiply square root of 10 square. So square root of 10 square is 10 only. We have to check now square root of 1.33 in the log book. Now we have to check square root of 133. From this we have to see value from 1.3 till 3. In the 3 column in front of 1.3 answer is 1.153. After filling this value, answer is 1.153 multiply 10. Now multiply 10 is there. It means that decimal will shift one place. So answer is 11.53. So this is the first example related to more than 100 square root. Now next example is square root of 251. Again square root of 2.51 multiply 10 square. Then separate the roots. Square root of 2.51 multiply square root of 10 square. Again 10 square. Square root is only 10. Now we have to check square root of 2.51 in the log table. So we have to see from 2.5 till 1. So according to this, here answer is 1.584. Now from the log table book, square root of 2.51 is 1.584. Now with multiply by 10, decimal is shifted now. Answer is 15.84. Now next example is square root of 464. So from here again 4.64 multiply 10 square. Then we have to separate that square root. Square root of 4.64 multiply square root of 10 square. Now from the log table we have to check the square root of 4.64. Now square root of 4.64 is, we have to check from 4.6 till 4. This is 0 column, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So answer is 2.154. From the log table book, square root of 4.64 is 2.154 and square root of 10 square is 10 only. Now after shifting decimal, square root of 464 is equals to 21.54. Now next example is square root of 545. So here square root of 5.45 multiply 10 square. After separating the roots, square root of 5.45 multiply square root of 10 square. Then square root of 10 square is 10 only and square root of 5.45 we have to check in the log table. So 5.4 till 5, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our answer is 2.335. Therefore, square root of 5.45 is equals to 2.335. From the log table, square root of 5.45 is 2.335. Now multiply with 10, then answer is 23.35. Now next example is square root of 733. So square root of 7.33 multiply 10 square, then separate the roots. Square root of 7.33 multiply square root of 10 square. From here square root of 10 square is 10 only and value of square root of 7.33 from the log table we have to check. From 7.3 till 3 here. So in the 3 column here, in front of 7.3 answer is 2.707. So therefore square root of 7.33 is 2.707. 7.33 is equals to 2.707 and square root of 10 square is 10 only. After shifting the decimal here, answer is 27.07. So therefore, square root of 733 is equals to, so square root of 733 is equals to 27.07. Now students, no need to solve all the steps. to find the square root of more than 100 number, you have to remember only that steps. If we want square root of 612, then we have to check according to this 6.1 till 2. So from here 6.1 till 2, your answer is 2.474. So after shifting decimal, square root of 612 is 24.74. Now one more example we will take. Suppose we have to find the square root of 715. So according to 715, we have to check the value from 7.1 till 5. So 7.1 till 5, here your answer is 2.674. So after shifting decimal, answer is 26.74. With the help of this log table, you are able to find square root of any number. Now students, you are able to solve sums related to square root of different numbers that will come in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a